Hello my alien students, welcome back. So we are in this project what I told you now. We'll be doing one project. Which is that project? Yeah, 1 minute. Isn't it? How we will be doing this 3D modeling, isn't it? So what's the story here? Okay, we have this 2D drawing. Okay, we have this 2D drawing and we'll have to draw the plumbing, let's say plumbing, irrigation layout, let's say the piping, isn't it? Okay, I have done actually partially, I have finished the plumbing layout already. Okay, but there is one trick I want to teach you. This is the video here you need to because here the sloping here. Okay, in this project there is a slope. Okay, a slope project. Okay, what you need to understand, okay, you need to understand this very clearly. Okay, listen. Let's suppose we have one main duct, main pipe. Okay, this is a main pipe. Okay, any comments? So let's say this has positive slope and this has negative slope. That means what? Pipe is going like this. Okay, that is the meaning of that, isn't it? Okay, whenever there is any branch, okay, any branch is there. Okay, let's say branch in the sense we have connection. Let's say Y like this or whatever, isn't it? You need to understand it. This was positive and this is negative, isn't it? The pipe is going downwards, isn't it? What you need to understand is, okay, whenever it is coming up, that means branches would always remember it is going positive. That means what? This way you will say for, let's say this is 1, this is 2. Okay, here what you're going to say, slope is down. Okay, negative slope. But when you're coming up to the branch, you would say positive slope. Just remember this. Okay, you'll understand when I do this project, things will be very clear. Okay, let's see, listen. So where are we? We are here now. Okay, listen. Okay, we are here. We finished. Okay, we are at this manhole. This is 200 millimeter. This is 160 millimeter. Fine, we finished all of this. Excellent. Okay, we've not done the branches. Okay, now what we will do, listen, we'll have to connect these branches here, isn't it? So how do we connect this branch? Okay, now there is a couple of tricks here. What I would do is select any of the pipes. Okay, let me just close this writing here. Okay, select any of this pipe, any of them, doesn't matter. Okay, so right click, create similar. Okay, done. Okay, then what you're going to do, we want to draw 110 pipe, isn't it? So go and click 110. Any comments? No. Okay, and make sure you have clicked inherit elevation. This is very important. Okay, and I was telling you going up. Okay, so click slope up 1%. Okay, then what you do, okay, we want to draw, you don't want to waste lot of let's say connections, isn't it? You want extra fittings. Okay, zoom, click anywhere, doesn't matter. Make sure inherit elevation is there, 110 is there, khalas. Okay, slope up, go and click to this wall. Okay, the guy who has done this AutoCAD drawing, you know, say he's a human. Okay, because there's no angle like that, isn't it? Either straight or, isn't it, 45 degree. Okay, and then we click 0 and tap. Done. Such as simple. Okay, so similarly we can do something like this, isn't it? They have done yeah. Okay, click this pipe, right click, create similar, change it to 110, inherit elevation, slope up here. I think what we can do is just straight like this, isn't it? Does this look good? 0. We need to be 0. Okay, don't worry, don't take tension. Click like this, make it 0. Now you said, John, what happened is, you know, he wanted here, you drew here. Don't worry. Select the pipe. Okay, select the pipe, don't worry. Then click move from where? Here to here. Do you think REVIT will help you? He will help you. Okay, if that was a big headache for you, listen, do something called as nudge. Select the pipe, nudge down. Okay, if the thing you're saying, John, the main pipe is moving. Okay, in this case, if that's the story, then what I tell you is delete this. Okay, and then TR. What is TR? Trim. Okay, there are a couple of let's say partial alien tricks. inlet elevation, I need it to be 110. Okay, so let's say we draw it here. So if we can start somewhere here, this will look good. Oh, still, so I should be drawing it a bit lower, isn't it?